Today I am reviewing LG 32MR50C-B 32-inch curved monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The LG 32MR50C-B curved monitor is a display designed to blend immersive visuals, productivity, and comfort into one sleek package. At 32 inches, this curved full HD screen is large enough to provide a cinematic experience, but it's also tuned for everyday use whether you're working, streaming, or gaming. The 1920 by 1080 resolution delivers sharp, clear images, and with its 16:9 aspect ratio, it's ideal for both media consumption and multitasking. What makes this monitor particularly engaging is its gentle curve, which naturally draws your eyes into the screen, helping reduce distractions and making everything feel more immersive. When it comes to performance, LG has built this monitor with some very practical features. It offers a 100 Hz refresh rate, which is smoother than the standard 60 Hz you'll find on many basic monitors. This higher refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and even simple desktop navigation feel more fluid. Paired with AMD FreeSync technology, the monitor is able to reduce screen tearing and stuttering, giving you a more consistent experience whether you're editing documents, watching fast-paced movies, or playing games. For gamers, this is especially important because features like dynamic action sync and black stabilizer add an extra layer of responsiveness and visibility. Dynamic action sync helps reduce input lag, while black stabilizer enhances darker areas of the screen so you can spot enemies in shadow-heavy games. LG also puts a strong focus on eye comfort and usability. This monitor includes reader mode and flicker-safe technology, both of which reduce strain on your eyes during long sessions. Reader mode adjusts the color tone to make text easier to read, similar to how an e-reader screen would feel, while Flicker Safe minimizes screen flickering at all brightness levels. For anyone working from home or spending long hours in front of a screen, these features make a huge difference in overall comfort. The design of the LG 32MR50C-B is modern and minimal. With a three-sided virtually borderless design, the screen feels expansive and perfect for dual monitor setups without distracting bezels. The stand is tilt-adjustable, allowing you to find the angle that works best for your desk setup, and the monitor is also wall-mountable if you want a clean, space-saving installation. At just over 11 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for a 32-inch display, making it easy to move or adjust. Connectivity is also versatile with 2 HDMI ports, giving you the ability to hook up multiple devices like a PC, gaming console, or a streaming box at the same time. The monitor automatically switches input sources with its auto input switch feature, which saves time and effort if you regularly switch between devices. This kind of thoughtful feature is what makes the LG 32MR50C-B a practical choice for modern setups. When it comes to picture quality, the VA panel technology delivers excellent contrast, rated at 3000:1, which means you get deeper blacks and more vibrant colors. With a brightness of 250 nits and wide 178-degree viewing angles, this monitor is great for group viewing, streaming, or collaborative work. The glossy finish enhances colors, giving them a punchier look, and thanks to LG's black stabilizer and dynamic enhancements, darker scenes in movies or games look more detailed rather than washed out. In terms of value, this monitor hits a sweet spot. At 32 inches with a curved design, 100 Hz refresh rate, FreeSync support, and eye comfort technologies, it offers a feature set that's hard to find at this price range. It's not just a gaming monitor, and it's not just an office monitor. It's a versatile all-rounder. Whether you're setting up a home office, upgrading your entertainment space, or looking for a large display for casual gaming, the LG 32MR50C-B delivers in almost every area. Overall, the LG 32MR50C-B curved monitor is an excellent choice if you want a large, immersive, and feature-rich display without breaking the bank. Its curved design, smooth performance, eye comfort features, and flexible connectivity make it a monitor that adapts to different needs, from productivity to entertainment. If you're searching for a monitor that balances size, quality, and affordability, this LG curved monitor deserves serious consideration.